I have a seagull problem. My wife has been feeding this seagull. She calls him Stephen Seagull. And he now is a frequent visitor to my office. And he literally pecks on the window with his beak because he wants her to feed her bread. Go away! She's just standing there looking at me. This bird ain't scared of shit. Hate it. When I'm playing horror games and all I hear behind me is awful. That's what your girlfriend thinks. Do you mind, Stephen? Stephen! Idiot. Don't like it. Stephen! Go away. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go find a thing to throw at Stephen because he will not leave me alone. He's pecking on my window. Linda isn't annoying me. It's Steven Seagal.